Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create a survey. This is a fantastic way to gather feedback, conduct research, or collect responses from your audience in an organized and efficient manner. Let's dive right in and get your survey set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Forms homepage where you can create and manage all your surveys and questionnaires. Once you're there, you'll see various template options and a button to start from scratch. Now click on the plus blank button, which you might also see labeled as blank form. This creates a fresh, empty survey where you can build everything from the ground up according to your specific needs. Starting with a blank form gives you complete creative control over how your survey looks and what questions it contains. Next, you'll notice at the top of the page there's a field that says Untitled Form. Click on this field and type in your survey title. You could use something simple like survey or get more specific with titles like Customer Feedback Survey or Product Preferences Survey. Choosing a clear title helps your respondents immediately understand the purpose of what they're filling out. Now let's add your first question. You'll see a drop-down menu for selecting the question type. Click on this drop-down and select multiple choice. This format is perfect for when you want respondents to choose one option from several possibilities, and it's one of the most popular question types for surveys. Click on the field that says Untitled Question and type in your first question. For example, you might type, "What is your favorite color?" This gives respondents a clear, simple question to answer. Make sure your questions are straightforward and easy to understand. Now it's time to add your answer options. Click on option 1 and type red. This creates your first possible answer choice. Then click Add option to create a second choice and type green. Click Add option again and type yellow. And one more time, click Add option and type black. You've now given respondents 4 distinct color options to choose from. If you want to add another question to your survey, simply click the plus icon, which represents the Add Question feature. This appears on the right side of your screen and allows you to build out your survey with as many questions as you need. Adding multiple questions helps you gather more comprehensive data from your respondents. In the New Question field, type your next question. For instance, you could ask, "What is your favorite food?" This gives you a completely different type of information while keeping the same multiple choice format. Just like before, click on option 1 and type pizza. This creates your first food choice. You can repeat these steps to add as many options as you want, whether that's more food choices like pasta, sushi, or tacos, or completely different questions on other topics. The process remains the same, giving you a consistent and easy workflow for building out your entire survey. And there you have it. You've successfully created a functional survey in Google Forms with multiple questions and customizable answer options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.